In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vehicle in Lyft. To get started, open the Lyft Driver app on your iPhone or Android device and sign into your account. If you are not already logged in, make sure you're using the Driver app, not the regular Rider app, since vehicle settings are managed from the driver side. Once you're inside the app, go to your account settings. You can usually do this by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon depending on your device and app version. From there, look for either the account section or the vehicles section. Lyft may organize these options a little differently from one update to another, but you're looking for the area where your driver and vehicle information is stored. Next, tap Vehicles and then select Add Vehicle. This opens the form where you'll enter your car's details. Take your time here because accuracy is important. You'll need to provide information such as the vehicle make, model, model year, color, and license plate number. In some cases, Lyft may also ask for the VIN, which is the vehicle identification number. A good tip is to have your registration handy so you can copy everything exactly as it appears on the official document. After entering the vehicle details, you'll be asked to upload any required documents. These typically include your vehicle registration and proof of insurance. In some areas, you may also need to provide a vehicle inspection certificate. When taking photos of these documents, make sure they are clear, current, and easy to read. Try to avoid glare, blurry images, or cropped corners, since those can slow down the approval process. Once everything is uploaded, review all the information carefully before submitting it. This is your chance to catch any small mistakes, like a typo in the plate number or a document that doesn't match the registration. When everything looks correct, tap Submit to send your vehicle information to Lyft for review. After that, all you need to do is wait for approval. Lyft will check the information and documents you provided, and you'll receive a notification or email letting you know whether your vehicle has been approved or if they need anything else from you. When your vehicle is approved, go back to the Vehicles section in the Lyft Driver app and select the newly approved vehicle before you go online to drive. That final step is important because it makes sure you're using the correct vehicle on your driver profile. And that's how to add a vehicle in Lyft.